Culture and traditions. Keywords. A hand.
En hånd.
Myself.
Meg selv.
Together.
Sammen.
To greet.
Å hilse.
To try.
Å prøve.
It is lunch break time. Sita, Nemo and Maria are in the school canteen.
Nemo, this is for your baby. I made it myself. Wow, it's beautiful. Thank you. I really liked your presentation about India. How do you greet people in India? When Indian people greet each other, they put their hands together and say Namaste. Family is very important in India. Most Indians live in large families. Parents, children, grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins all live together in the same house. Are all Indians Hindus? No, there are also other religions like Islam and Christianity. How interesting! And what's your traditional dress? Most women wear a sari. Do you wear a sari? I think they're beautiful. Yes, I sometimes wear a sari. I'll show you how, and then you can try it on. Great! Let's talk. Answer the questions. How do people in India say hello?
Hvordan sier folk i India god dag?
What is the traditional Indian dress?
Hva er den tradisjonelle indiske klesplagget?
How do you greet people in your country?
Hvordan hilser du på folk i ditt land?
Is it good for children to grow up in large families? Discuss.
Er det bra for barn å vokse opp i store familier? Diskuter.
What is your national dress like? Describe it.
Hva er din nasjonaldrakt? Hvordan ser din nasjonaldrakt ut? Beskriv den.